Dave here at SOM Trailer Sales, somtrailers.com. Got a really nice 2019 Schwalbe Peterbilt truck on consignment here. Again, it's a 2019 model. It's got just over 73,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It's a Peterbilt 579 with the 450 Cummins, the X15 efficiency series motor. Really nice truck. We'll take a tour around here. If you would, hit that like and subscribe button, and you'll get notifications for when we post these trucks and trailers. It's got 22.5-inch Alcoa wheels. It's got brand new drive tires on the front. The steer tires in the rear I think they're a year and a half old, but they look great. You got a 50-gallon fuel tank on this side and a 70-gallon fuel tank on the other side for a total of 120 gallons of fuel storage. Got these big storage compartments. It's a 100-gallon water tank. It's a horse people will like a lot. Here's a look at the tires. Here's your camera connectors. This truck is wired for a 4-camera Voyager system, and it comes with the monitor inside. Got your gooseneck and your 5th wheel hitch. It's got some scratches down there. It's really the only blemish on the truck. I'll pop the hood and fire this thing up. Take a tour on the inside here. You can see 73,260 miles. Got your CB radio. That's the monitor for the Voyager camera system. Both these seats are air seats. Leather's in really good shape on all the seats. And you got your fold down seat back here. It's got the fold down TV, DVD player. Your 12-volt disconnect switch is down there. Here's a look at the data tag. Again, thanks for looking, and do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, and you can check us out at somtrailers.com. Thanks for looking.